Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see, here I've applied the grid lines before I've started the recording. It is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. If we are on the camera, it does not really matter on which mode we will be. Simply enter the settings which are in this panel at the top. After tapping on it, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Reset Settings option and simply tap on Reset. And as you can see, we will immediately go back to the camera, which do not have the grid lines applied, and it simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.